Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to set up Wi-Fi direct in HP OfficeJet Pro 9123 printer. This printer comes with setup cartridges. It can print up to 250 to 300 pages. The cartridges numbers are 938. It has 2 power cords, 2 pin and 3 pin socket cord. Gently remove the blue tape from the printer. Open the paper tray and adjust the paper guide and load some A4 paper. The paper tray can load 250 paper at once. Let's connect the power. This is the printer cable port. Turn on the printer. Set up your preferred language. We have already loaded paper, so tap OK. In this step, open the front door and load setup cartridges. Now the printer needs alignment. We have already installed the cartridges, so tap OK. Tap Align. Once the printer alignment paper successfully printed, place it on scanner and tap Scan. Now it will take few minutes to complete this alignment setup. Once it has done, and tap OK and do some basic initial setup. Once it has done, go to menu, scroll down and tap Info. Tap Connectivity and scroll down to the last. You will find Wi-Fi Direct. Tap the settings icon and turn on the Wi-Fi Direct. Tap Yes. Here your connection method, choose automatic or manual. Now I am going to choose automatic. So this method automatically assigned password to be from 1 to 8 as a default password. Tap Print Details. Now the printer prints Wi-Fi direct name and password in this network configuration report. Here you can see the Wi-Fi direct name and the password too. Now I am going to do some document copy. Place the paper on the scanner and choose Copy, Document Copy and choose the printer black or color, and you can increase the paper from here 1 or more copies and tap green to copy the document. In this automatic document feeder, you can feed up to 35 paper at once. Now I am going to do ID code copy. Go to the copy option and choose ID code copy and choose color or black and tap green to copy. Now it's going to copy front side. Once it has done, and flip the card to the back and tap continue. Now I have successfully printed ID card copy. Now go to the settings, open Wi-Fi and choose the Wi-Fi direct name and enter the password to connect the printer. Once it has connected, now I am going to do some document print from my mobile. Choose the printer here and choose the paper level from 1 to 1, color or black, and tap print. Now I have successfully printed a document. In this setting, choose General and choose Display, and here you can change your preferred language. Thank you for watching GulfTech channel.